Welcome to Emmhibuzz channel. Please subscribe to our channel. We will be delving into how to create a gig. Click on Create a new gig. Firstly, you must know what type of service you want to render, because you can't just write anything you want there. So I'm into app development. I will creating gig on GPS tracking, website and fleet management. Choose a category your service belong to by checking what others developer chose using buyer's account. Same goes to others rendering another service. Choose your service type. I will choose web application. After that, fill your gig metadata checking people in your service category. So the next one is filling the search tags. This is where you need to be careful because it's where your gig will be visible to people in need of your service. I already made my research on my search tags. Maybe in another video I will be showing you how to get search tags. The maximum search tags you can add is 5. Click on Save and Continue. So this is where you input another important information like price and packages. If this is your first time creating gig, check what others people are using for their packages and craft your own packages text from their own and make it look professional. We have 3 types of packages which are basic, standard, and premium, so each one has its own work, and price keeps increasing from standard to premium package. Fill all the options there following sellers rendering your services. 2. It seems like I chose the wrong category type at the beginning. That's the reason I said you need to check others rendering the same service you want to render on Fiverr. If you already know the tools you are using to build or develop, you can add it to if you see it in the option not compulsory to use what others are using. Choose your necessary tools and gig metadata carefully. I'm going to choose the tools I'm using to develop app now. So back to our packages and price. So craft a compelling content that will attract customers, not just writing whatever you like there. Like I said, I already have it down and have crafted my own content. So what to write in your standard package must have more things to add to the buyer project to go for your standard package. Also for premium package too, it must have high, special work than the standard package. So choose your delivery date for each of the packages. So you must know how long you can finish any project been brought to you to do. Choose necessary things to be added to the service packages. You select all necessary things listed for your standard and premium packages. So why for basic package you can select 2-5 necessary things to be added to your buyer's project. As you can see, people in my service niche premium price is the highest. I will choose $300, $600, and $1,000 for my packages. You can fill the add extra services, but not compulsory. So I will unmark all of them. Click on Save and Continue. To description part, make sure to write an engaging content in your description and eye-catchy words why your service is the best. I have written mine already. You can make use of ChatGPT to help you write an engaging gig description. Then you edit everything in your description by making use of tools listed under description. Highlight the app features and turn it to bold words using the letter B above. Make sure to edit everything. After you are done writing your description and editing everything, click on Save. This is where you request for project requirements after your buyer has placed an order. Just write, "Provide me your requirements for your project." Click on Add. After that, click on Save and Continue. This is the last part. Here, you will need an image for displaying what you are rendering to people. You will have to create a professional gig image that looks attractive to buyers trying to purchase your service. You can design your gig image using Canva. Or make use of Google images that haven't been used on Fiverr before. Wait till everything loads finish. More videos will released on how to create gig image and write engaging content for your description. After that, click on Save. Click on Publish Gig. Click on Done. Then you are done creating your gig. In 2 to 5 minutes, your gig will be lived and searchable. So let's preview what I have created. This is how it will look to buyers viewing your gig. So that's all on how to create gig. If you really enjoy this video, please subscribe to my channel to get tons of video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.